Hello, my name is Niki Vlad Mankash and I am part of the management team of Majutex. We are a company which specializes in weaving and textile finishing, celebrating this year 30 years of experience. One of the things we take great pride in, and maybe one of the reasons we are still on this very competitive textile market of today, is the fact that we are a vertical company, meaning that all processes throughout the production flow are done in-house. As our company is on a constant pursuit of innovating and optimizing, we cannot think of a better partner rather than IDN Norway to have run this modernization project with. Although we have faced rough waters throughout the implementation of our project, the pandemic that I'm more than sure that everyone is aware of, we were constantly supported and advised by the Innovation Norway team and our local consultant, making the whole process rather enjoyable. The support from IDN Norway was not only financial, but has facilitated our expansion on foreign markets. Throughout the project, Majutex has achieved a lot of noteworthy milestones. For example, the creation of 2 new full-time jobs, 2 new patented products in the company's portfolio, one of them being the Smart Bed Sheet, which is a fabric with conductive circuits printed on it for supervising the effects that medication has on the behavior of chronically ill patients, and also a new textile material with upgraded properties in terms of breathability, water column, and functionality, designed with military and protective wear purposes. Another milestone would be the product life cycle assessment, which has been fully carried out and implemented. A cooperation has been started with a Norwegian company in order to develop new products tailored to their needs. For example, in the field of aquaculture, an increase of raw material reuse and recycling has been achieved by as high as 30%. Another achievement has been the increase in the company's turnover by 20%, the reduction by 2.5% of yearly water consumption, amounting to nearly 6,000 liters. Another improvement has been noticed in the company's profitability, which has gone up by as high as 30%. On this occasion, we would like to thank IDN Norway and Innovation Norway once again for their trust in our company and support throughout the whole implementation of the project. It is a financing scheme we highly recommend, and this is surely not the last time we will be applying for such grants.